How to hide taskbar in your Windows. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can hide taskbar in your Windows device. So before we begin, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. So the first thing that you'll need to do is you can open up your settings, and on your settings you'll need to head over to your taskbar settings. So if you don't know how to do that, head over to personalization, that is on the left hand side right here, and after you're here, there you should see taskbar. You can head over to taskbar, and if you don't see taskbar settings, you can basically just right click on the taskbar itself and you'll see the taskbar settings option. Tap on that and you will be on this page again. So right here, what you'll need to do is you will see show or hide buttons and stuff. What we will do is we'll basically hide our taskbar. So head over to taskbar behavior, and there you'll see automatically hide taskbar, which if you press, your taskbar will get hidden. And whenever you move your cursor down to the edge of your screen at the bottom, the taskbar will open up again. And that's basically how you hide your taskbar on your Windows. Thanks for watching. That's basically it for today's video. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye-bye. Take care.